Thank you so much for bringing your collection, a small portion of your collection down. I understand that you have the largest Fast and Furious replica collection in the world?
Yes, I do.
How many cars do you have?
Approximately 25 cars.
25 cars?
Yep. Yeah, 25 cars.
What's your favorite car?
So it was a twin turbo and they did it a single turbo with a huge T60 turbo. It's this fast and noisy. And yeah, it's one of my favorite cars. When the movie came out, I was living in Mexico and my dream car was the Eclipse. As soon as I saw the movie, I fell in love with that Eclipse. So in Mexico, I bought one, but it was really hard to get the bumpers or the side skirts, even the stickers for the car, right? I came to Canada 11 years ago and I decided to start saving to build an Eclipse. That was my goal, to build one car. And now I got 25, so. And actually this replica is one of the best replicas in the world. Actually, the wing is signed by Cody Walker. You wanna come see it? That's Cody Walker, Paul's Walker brother. That's Cody Walker's signature. And inside the car, we have the signature of Craig Lieberman. He helped for the production of the cars in the movie. Yeah, he built the cars for the movie.
I knew you had a couple of these cars. I didn't understand the extent of your collection.
Yeah, no, it's...
And the true beauty of them. These are true tuner cars.
Yeah, yeah.
And did you put a fair bit of the work in them yourselves?
Yes.
Tell me about this guy.
This one is a Nissan R33 GTT.
Okay.
On the movie, they use an R33 GTR.
Okay.
But they're really expensive right now because now you can import them to the US, so the price in Japan went super high. So we decided to do for a GTT and just try to make it look like a GTR. This is a 1996 car. The next one is my most recent build. It's a 1997 Acura Integra. I got the body kit, I got the wheels, and I got the seats, and I just put it together. As far as I know, this is the second replica in the world. The guy who owns the original car, the hero car from the movie, he lives in the US. Yep. His name is Gabriel, and he helped me out. He sent me pictures and videos of his car to build mine like his. This one has been one of the most cheapest ones so far. Yeah. What? Like the car was $5,000. It was expensive because it has a turbo on it. And then the body kit was $2,000. The grill was $300. The wheels were super cheap and they were $300. They're Momo original and they're same as the movie. This is a 1992 Mazda RX-7 with a Velside Fortune kit on it. Okay. So just the body kit by himself, it's 15,000 US.
How many of these cars are around?
As far as I know, there are 3 in Canada.
Jorge, how many times have you seen the Fast and Furious movies?
A lot. At least twice per month. Like I go fast and forward, right? Because I have to, like, what I do is I check car details. So that's what I have to watch him and watch him and watch him.
Perfect. Well, Jorge, thank you so much for coming out today.
Thanks for inviting me again.
Appreciate it.
Thanks.
Thanks for bringing it to us.
We'll see you next time.
Thanks everyone for coming out to our second tuner night here at Wheaton Honda. It was a tremendous success. We saw some incredible cars, crazy cars I'd never seen before. You guys all made it happen. We raised a ton of money for the United Way and really looking forward to the next one. Please like, share, and subscribe. Follow us. We've built a new Facebook page, the Wheaton Tuners. Please check it out where you can keep up to date on all the upcoming events. We'll see you all in the spring. I'm Mark Tucker with Wheaton Honda, and it's always a pleasure seeing you at these events. Take care.